Hey everyone, it's Adventure Link. How's it going? Well, I got this Fisca RC food truck here on review. Unfortunately, the problem we're having with it is that every time I put the battery in the hole, it won't turn on. It's supposed to have the flashing lights and all that go on. It's when you first turn it on. But when I take the voltage reading right here, I put you take your probe, put one on negative and put one on positive. See, it says 5.53 volts. Keep in mind this is a 4.8 volt battery, so 5.5, that's charged, that's good, but it's not going. Now, of course I had to go and reseal it, but we're going to unseal it anyway. And while we unseal it, if it was your birthday, congratulations, happy birthday, make it a good one. Thank you in advance for watching this video and other videos I have on YouTube. I love from sharing them with your friends, family, and all that. Make sure you also embed in your social media, blogs, websites, and all that. Rate, comment, subscribe here on YouTube. It tells YouTube and myself if I'm doing a good job or not. Helps boost telemetry, search engagement, video engagement, and appearances on Google search, YouTube search, and all that good stuff. Subscribe. You can see new videos I put up on YouTube. Get in your weekly YouTube email and or in your news feed. If you hit the bell button, then you can go ahead and get any new videos I throw up on YouTube when they first come out. Yay! And last but not least, if you would donate to my medical bills, I'd appreciate it. Links are in the video description. Any amount helps out. And as Gaines from the Grave would say, it helps to keep this channel and myself alive and undead. So with that being said, here's our power switch. Now I'm going to turn on the power switch. They're supposed to flash the headlights, like I said. Nothing. We turn on the controller here. It's got batteries in it. See? Or, wait a minute. Right then. It's flashing red. It's got power. It's flashing. It should be syncing. But it's not wanting to find anything to sync to stay solid red. None of the buttons are working. So I'm going to try to figure out what's going on with this tonight. So now we've verified that the batteries are good. Everything's working with the remote. But the truck isn't working. Now we got to start taking it apart. And this is the pain with this truck here, is that the battery clip is like right there. They don't give you too much cord with this, unlike the Fisca rock crawler. So attention Fisca, in a future design revision, if you give us just a couple more inches of length, that'd be great. Having said that, there's 6, as far as I know, there's 6 Phillips head screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They're these little like jeweler's head tips like this. So we're going to remove those now. And as a tip, if you have one of these medicine bottles left over, just open up your medicine bottle and put the screws in like this. That way it don't get lost. See, one got lost and there it is. Got the 2 more screws out of there. Now with the screws freed up, we should be able to take the chassis off and all that, just like so. And now here is the innards of our Fisca food truck RC vehicle. Yay! Now there's your on and off switch right here. And I believe your battery compartment should... Oh ho ho! I think I found a problem! Somebody didn't connect this red wire. Found a problem! Yay! See, isn't it always fun when you win? And when it's an easy win like this? Looks like it connects the power right here. Right then, it connects right there to power. Let me tick this up for the time being. Now we'll verify operation, which is what you got to do when you make a successful repair. Now I just got to find out where the heck the battery connector is. if I fudged it up or not. Alright, there it is right there. Give me a moment to put this back in, and we'll try this again. If that fixes it, then all I got to do is just solder it up, close it up, and we're good. And of course, if you want to know how to solder, there's a whole ton of soldering videos on YouTube. Look up ones especially from like This Does Not Compute, Eric the Car Guy, 8-Bit Guy, 8-Bit Keys. Just to get started, I especially like those channels specifically on YouTube personally. So that's who I'm going to shout out. Now, if this thing would cooperate, that would be great. And while I'm under the now torn apart hood of this truck, if this does work, I am going to put an extra 2 inches on this cord here. Because as you can see, this is getting a little ridiculous. And of course, if I had the orientation correct the first time, that would be helpful. On.
So did we figure out what's going on with our Noble store?
Possibly. Okay, now as you can see, I had the power on and all that, it wouldn't work. Guess what? My fix came apart, so I can just touch this to there. Yeah, as you can see, it was trying to come back on. So yeah. Now, if I can get it in the hole, as I was saying, get it in the hole. Yeah, it's just going to keep going and going and going like that. Oh, I had it on the wrong terminal. Oops. But yeah. See, that's supposed to be on the middle terminal, not the blank one. Oops. So as you can see, everything's working fine now. But either way, like I said, I just got to fix this connector here. Just solder this middle wire here back together again. Patch it up. And I can continue my review. Yay! And like I said, there's a whole ton of soldering videos on YouTube. So, yeah. Look up, like I said, 8-Bit Guy, 8-Bit Keys, Eric the Car Guy, This Does Not Compute, etc. For some good soldering videos. We're going to call this done. I'm Eventually. Thanks for watching. And thanks again for your support of me and my channel, past, present, and future. And of course, like speaking of Eric the Car Guy, as he would say, be safe, have fun, stay dirty. See you next time. Have a nice day.